All right, so last week we talked about dual agency and considering being an agent in multiple markets. Well, this week, as we approach the upcoming NAR changes, I wanted to bring your attention to some fantastic resources that the state of Florida has put together. Now, they've developed four exclusive buyer agreements, and I provided links to all of them in the body of this email. You have the transaction broker consultant, the no broker relationship, the single agent, and then being a transactional broker for the transaction. So I wanted to make sure that you're aware of these tools and resources. No matter which market you call home, I would encourage you to check them out. There's a lot of valuable information, and it's great to see how different areas are streamlining these changes and processes. And do know we are in this with you. We are here to support you. We are putting together some great tools and resources to send out to your buyer, and we will be launching those in the next 30 days. So if there's anything we can do to help you, know that we are here, know that we support you, and if you need us, just give us a call. Have a great day.